Hey guys, Richard Dftty. Now I'm gonna show how to make your breathing looks like Star Wars Darth Vader breathing. First way, you have to say O-N-A. O-A like that. And then say deep down in your neck. So like this, just like breathing, but say O and A. That's still first, and then this is the second. It's so perfect. I already showed this is so perfect. A little bit more hard. Yeah. Wait a minute. Oh, sick. A little bit flu today. Yeah. Okay. That's so hurt. Oh yeah. That's enough. So, bye man, may the force be with you. I gonna drink some milk to my neck. Okay, bye man, may the force be with you.